to the series of 21 videos of Looker. So this is video number 2. Today we will learn about the date to quarter, that is a quick hack in Looker Studio. So first we will add a chart. So let us select a table from here and we will select the dimensions and metrics based on the requirement. So here we will take the date first and then we can select here. Views are here already, so we will take sessions and users as well. So we will make this a table little bigger, and from here in the date click on the pencil icon, and here you can select quarter instead of date. So accordingly it will change here. So now you can see quarter in front of here. So if you also want to see the year along with these quarters, you can also do that. Let us again go here and select year quarter. Okay, so now we can delete the year from here. So if you want to also do that in another chart, we can also do that. Let us copy and change it to time series. Let us check for that. So now you can see for that chart as well. So similarly you can also try out from your end for other charts and let us know in the comments. And for other series, keep watching our blog. Thank you.